Kung naghanap po kayo ng isang bracelet na ika nga pampadami ng pera at pampaswerte sa araw-araw with regards to your business, sa career ninyo, ito na po at para sa pamilya. Ang tawag po sa kanila is the Trinity po, the Gold Devouring Beast. Ito po is may tatay, may anak, at may ina. So, ang purpose of wearing this is para po abundance is there. So, ano bang sinisimbol ng tatay? The Gold Devouring Beast, which is the father. So, good luck sa career ninyo and of course, regular income. Pagdating so panay-panay ang pera nasa sa inyo. Ang nanay naman po is para naman po exchange ang income ninyo and family harmony. So, ang nanay naman talaga is ilaw ng tahanan. So, pagdating sa harmony ng family, kailangan natin yung hindi lang puro pera-pera. Ang anak naman po will give you wealth and abundance. So, all in all po, itong inyong bracelet na to is ilalagay nyo po ito sa inyong left. Regardless kung babae ka o lalaki, left talaga ilalagay. And then, constant caressing of this, okay, yung tatlong beads na to, will give you connection with your amulet. So, ito na bibigyan ng swerte sa atin and abundance in money as mentioned earlier. So, left ilalagay po and good luck po sa ating lahat. The family of 3, the gold devouring beast. So, gold eating beast po sila. Check on the yellow basket at maraming salamat po for watching.